Hello everyone, and thank you for joining us again. My name is Robert with Tampa Bay Auto Network. Here doing a walk around with you on a 2017 Mini Cooper S. The point of our walk arounds? Transparency, to show you the things that will not show up in our 100 high definition photos that are located on our website. If you're on our website and would like to see those photos, just scroll down, they're located below this video. If you'd like to see a detailed vehicle description which highlights features and options of the Mini, just scroll up, it's located above this video. If you're on our YouTube page and would like to see either one of those, plus view a free CARFAX report, the original window sticker, grab some financing options, or maybe grab a quote to ship the Mini Cooper anywhere in the country, visit TampaBayAutoNetwork.com. At the very end of this video, you'll be able to hear the engine running on the Mini Cooper, so let's go ahead and start that walk around. All right, here we go. We're walking around the Mini Cooper S, and you can see great tread on the tires. The wheels are in wonderful condition. There are a few very tiny chips on the nose here, as you can see. They're so small that when you back away at all, you can't see them. Other than that, there's no dents, dings, heavy scratches, anything of real note all the way around the car. There is one more chip back here, you can see. For a 5-year-old car, it is in well above average condition. So if a Mini Cooper is what you're looking for, this is one you would want to consider, guys. Okay, what doesn't show up in our pictures is a headliner, which is like new. This side of the visors, which is the same. And then there is the top of the dash. But if you have any questions at all about the condition, interior or exterior, please give Jennifer a call. Her name and number should be at the top of your screen.